In this video, you'll learn how to add multiple sizes to products on eBay. By following these steps, you will create a more organized listing that allows buyers to easily select the size they need. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the sell section, which can typically be found in the main menu. Here you will start creating a new listing for your product. It is essential to choose a product category that supports variations such as clothing or shoes. Selecting the correct category is crucial because it ensures that buyers can see all available options for size variations, enhancing their shopping experience. After selecting the appropriate category, you will be directed to the listing editor. In this section, locate the variations area, which allows you to add options such as size or color. Enable this feature by clicking on the option to add variations. Once activated, you will see fields where you can enter the different sizes you wish to offer. Additionally, you can specify different quantities or prices for each size if necessary. Providing accurate variation details is important as it helps buyers make informed choices and reduces confusion during checkout. Next, upload images that accurately represent the product. It is advisable to include images for each size variation if they differ visually. After uploading images, review your variation settings carefully. This includes checking that each size option is correctly configured and that stock quantities are assigned accurately. This step is vital to ensure that buyers can only select sizes that are available for purchase. Once you have verified all details, preview the listing to confirm that the size options appear correctly on the page. This preview will show you how buyers will see the listing, including the available sizes. Ensure that everything looks organized and clear, as this will improve the shopping convenience for potential customers. A well-structured listing can significantly increase your chances of making a sale. After confirming that all settings are correct and the listing appears as intended, you can proceed to publish your listing. Buyers will now be able to select their desired sizes directly from the listing page, making their shopping experience smoother and more efficient. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.